What is this? Hi, I'm no longer blonde, and why do I have a knife? It's because of this. I've been buying t-shirts, or one t-shirt, it was Black Veil Bride's t-shirt, a Black Veil Bride's poster, and Black Veil Bride's badges. So let's get this motherfucker open. See the poster. Oh my god, it's so beautiful even though I can't see it. Oh my god! Why am I making a fake? Oh, my t-shirt! Bags. Oh my god. It was actually they started getting here actually pretty late than it should, but yeah, that was the unboxing. I got my Black Veil Brides t-shirt, buy it now. And I got my badges, buy it now. Or them. And then I got my almighty poster, buy it now. It's the one that says Fallen Angels. And I have Andy Biersack, the legend, standing with wings.